Hi there from Bug Eye Guys. This is a 1971 1750 Alfa GTV with about 68,000 miles that I'm inclined to think is accurate. It could be 168, but I don't think we would have this nice of an interior. Although there is a crack in the dashboard, the rest of the car is really quite impressive. Anyway, this is a cold start. We have not run the car today, and I thought I'd show you that. Before I do, there's a hand throttle here that's kind of fun. If you pull it, you can just see the gas pedal moving. It's kind of neat that they did that, but I've never needed to use that. The mechanical fuel injection system works really nicely, and it starts every time. There you go. We have a cold engine. Temperature hasn't moved since we put this outside, and the car runs nicely, revs nicely. Let's take a look at the tailpipe so you can see. This is under 1,000 miles since the engine was rebuilt, so no smoke. And some of the best vent windows in the world. I love these. Thanks for watching.